Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add page transition certain pages of a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is a PDF file and I'll add page transition only for first two pages. Select this tools option and select here organize pages option. Now select here more option and select here page transition option and this page transition and select here guys of transition and select forward. You can change direction, forward, down, and so on. And this will also be change, also solo. And this is page change, that is past two pages, and select OK and close. Now select the option and select your full screen mode and see this. First two pages forward transition and other pages series. There is no transition, only for first two pages. Yeah, this is. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.